Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. Today we're going to be exploring specialty nail art powders as they've been all the rage in nail art this year. From hollow to gorgeous glitters and mesmerizing mermaid, these powders will give your nails the glow up they need to stand out from the crowd. Today we're sharing 5 different ways that you can use these powders in your next manicure. So stay tuned and we'll show you just that. Number 1. Let's start with the most basic way to use a nail powder, which is fully covering a nail. First, apply your nail color and allow it to dry. Next, you'll need to apply a non-tacky gel polish top coat over your nail and allow it to cure under an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So once that's done, you'll need an eyeshadow applicator and you can go ahead and apply the nail powder all over your nail. Here we're using Indigo's Chameleon Butterfly Powder. I think this one is so gorgeous. Then reapply the gel polish top coat and cure it again. Gel polish top coats will also protect the beautiful finish of the nail powder. Finally, clean up around your nails with water. And if your top coat is non-tacky like ours, your mani is all done because there will be no sticky layer to remove with rubbing alcohol. Our next way of using specialty nail powders incorporates nail vinyls. Begin with your nail color and allow it to completely dry. Next, apply the same non-tacky gel polish top coat that we used last time over your nail and cure it under an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now for the fun part, apply a nail vinyl over your nail and then buff in the powder over top. We're using Indigo's multi-chrome powder here for this. I think this one is so gorgeous too. Remove the vinyl sticker and you will be left with a gorgeous pattern. Apply a second layer of gel polish top coat and cure it one last time. All done! The third way that we're sharing today is a chunky glitter gradient which is perfect for all special occasions. It's also super easy to create, so begin by applying your color and allowing it to completely dry. For this next step, you can choose to either use a gel polish top coat like we've been using the last 2 times, or you could use a regular clear nail polish this time. If you go the route of using a clear nail polish, you need to apply these pretty little flakies before it dries. We're using Midi's Shattered Rainbow for this. Apply them to the tip of the nail, and then apply less as you go up towards the cuticle for a gradient effect. Next, apply another layer of top coat and either let it dry or let it cure depending on whether you're using regular or gel. And guys, you don't need a gel polish for this one like you do the others because the regular polish won't ruin the effect. Moving on, we'll be doing a gradient under the powder for a really cool dimensional effect. Begin with your nail polish color and allow it to dry. Next, apply liquid latex around your nail if you'd like the cleanup process to be easier. To create the gradient, we're going to be using a makeup sponge and we're going to be applying 2 strips of color next to each other like so. And then just sponge it over your nail. Apply a gel polish top coat over the nail and allow it to cure under the lamp for 30 seconds. Next, apply your special nail powder over the gradient for an even cooler dimensional effect. We're using What's Up Nails Aurora Pigment. For this, it gives a gorgeous mermaid effect. Finally, apply a new layer of top coat and cure it under the lamp. I think this is my favorite, you guys. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Next, we're going to be using glitter powder with stamping. Begin by applying your color and allowing it to fully dry. Next, apply either a gel top coat or a regular top coat. Either way, apply the glitter over your nail while the top coat is still wet. Here we're using Indigo's 24 karat gold glitter powder. It is so sparkly and gorgeous. Then if you use gel, it's time to cure your nail under the lamp for 30 seconds. If not, just allow your top coat to dry naturally with air. Remove excess glitter from your nail with a fan brush, and then apply a new layer of either the gel top coat or the regular top coat. Once that's cured or dried, you can move on to the stamping portion of this design. Stamp a pattern over the glitter for a fun and stunning look. Again, you guys can seal it in with a new layer of gel polish top coat or a regular top coat and your look is complete. Check out more fun nail tutorials here on CutePolish by clicking these boxes. And be sure to subscribe by clicking the circle as we upload new videos every week. Also, check out Miri's personal nail channel by clicking the circle right here. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!